the video. Oh, back with another video. Oh.
Slang it out with, go metallic night. I can shake it out with.
My gosh. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Sanaya Jean, and I'm back with another hair tutorial. Well, with a hair tutorial. First, I'm starting off with slick back hair, and it's really dirty. It is dirty. I'm gonna tell you that. But today I take my driver's license picture. Yes, your girl got her driver's license. Take my driver's license picture today, and I don't want my hair slicked back for it, so I won't look bald-headed. I mean, I'm not gonna look bald-headed, but I still want my hair to be shown. Today I'm going to be using my Eau Grace Naturals clip-in to do this pump, to do this top knot. So right now I'm just kind of pulling out my hair. This thing. After this, well, after tomorrow, because I have a cheer game, be on the lookout for, I will be vlogging for homecoming. Homecoming's in a couple weeks, but I'll be vlogging for that. Vlogging that. Let me say that. So I'm spraying the perimeter of my hair to loosen it up before I start combing it out. Okay, so now that my hair is kind of molded upwards from that ponytail, that slick back that I had it in, I'm just gonna dampen all of it so I can put some of this leave-in conditioner on it because it looks a little dry, and put some of this sealant in it as well. Put the sponge jackies in there. I need to wash my hair. This is unacceptable. Then I'm gonna go in with hydrating sealing butter and put that on top. I'm not really too worried about thoroughly moisturizing my hair as of right now because I'm about to wash this. I'm gonna wash it out in the next 2 days, a day or so. So I'm gonna tie the end of my hair up and then go back and brush again. Make sure you brush the back of your head because that be having, sorry I was interrupted. So now I'm just gonna put some gel on my, around the perimeter of my hair. forehead is booming. I don't know if y'all can see that. Let me see. Hopefully it looks sleek. But it's alright if it don't, because I'm not taking a picture of the back of my head. I'm getting a mug shot. I'm gonna do 2 or 3. Baby, we sleek up in here. Like, who y'all know here this sleek? Watch me not look this sleek. A period. And that's just it. I don't know what type of edges I'm gonna do today, but I'm just gonna pull them out. We's already looking like a new person. So now I'm gonna go get my clip-ins, comb them out, and I'm gonna get back to y'all when I'm putting them in. I'm back. Did I put a thing with this? Back with this and a couple of my bundles. So I'm not gonna put too much. I'm not gonna put any product on them because I want them fluffy-ish. So I'm gonna pin them on my bun. First, I'm trying to extend you with my hair ties. I'm gonna put a hair tie right there. Oh crap, I don't know where my pick is. Yeah, so I just wrapped it around. Yeah. cute. It's a cur. It's a cur. Now, let's do some edges. I'm spraying some water on my toothbrush. So my edges. Put some water on them bad boys. Put some of this leave-in conditioner as well. I should probably just put that on my hand and just a little bit, just to have moisturize, because don't want to give them any more of a reason to fall out. Use my Aunt Jackie's Slicked. Aunt Jackie's Slicked. Oh, if you guys didn't notice, my braces are off. This is some good edge control, y'all. This is good. So not too much, just the right amount, because it just be on tight. I be liking that short wispy. Ooh, look, girl, they already is trying to harden and get put in place. I would like some wispy baby hairs, but my baby hairs are already intact. Do I want sideburns? Because I don't know if I really like sideburns. I don't know if it's because I just wear glasses and they don't really go well with glasses, but I'm doing some. If I can pull some out. But y'all should really get these clip-ins. On me, you should. I got these, I believe, sometime in the summertime. I had been looking forward to some clip-ins, and I so happened to just come across them. It's a black-owned business. The lady is very nice. I really do like the lady. She's very nice. Just support. They're very affordable. Black-owned, and then they look like your hair texture. Like, baby, I just bought some for my mother. Well, I didn't buy clip-ins, I bought their bundles. But I just bought some for my mom, and it looks exactly like her hair. Like, who can tell her it's not her hair? So I'm gonna lay down my hair. Oh, let me put some gel right there. Any flyaways, I just go around and put some gel on it. Just to seal it up. I'm gonna wrap down my hair for, I don't know how long, probably just to the end of school. And then I'm gonna be ready. Okay. So I'm back. And my hair is done. Put this little shirt on. Put a little glass on. These are the Princess. Sorry if I'm talking weird. These are Princess lashes from Big Blinks by Brooklyn. Yeah, I'm a professional putting lashes on, but they look pretty natural for me.